Luxury visuals almost always feel calmer because they know exactly what not to include. Today, how to design elegant minimal visual layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert one main rectangular frame slightly off-center and place your image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for clarity and focus. Duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a soft layered border effect. Keep the background clean using warm white, beige, or soft gray tones for a refined premium atmosphere. Add one thin geometric accent or elegant line detail with very low opacity for sophistication. Use position tool